everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. This is my Ace This series where I go through anything to do with using the computer and the internet, social media, anything to do with tech. Now, Google Docs has a new feature called comparison. So let me show you where it is. You go to tools and you have compare documents feature. Now this is a new feature. If you have not used it, you will see the new icon beside it. Now what this feature allows you to do is to be able to compare two documents that basically have the same thing. So like the other document is a replica and maybe you made a few changes and you want to see what changes you actually made. What are the differences between both documents? So this is very helpful if you have made a copy of a document, made some changes, and just picture that this document is like pages long, and this particular feature allows you to just be able to highlight the areas where changes have been made. So I've made a duplicate document of this that I have here, and I'm going to compare it to the other document that has the same. So all I would do, have the document open, and then I would go to Tools, Compare Documents. Now you need to look on your drive for the document that you're comparing it with. So I'll click on my drive, and this is actually the document here, or I could search for it. So I double click it, and it's loaded here. Now attribute differences too. Here you can just put your own name for your particular Google Drive. It's just wanting to say who are you going to say these differences belong to, or who made these changes. You could include any comments or so on that you have in the selected document, but if you don't have any, you can just leave that unchecked regardless. And then now I will click compare to. So it's gonna compare, bring up a message that says comparison is ready. And then when I click open, it's gonna open the comparison. So here you see that you will know your document, obviously. So it's letting me know that this part is different. And also it's showing me that I added this section in the document that I'm comparing it to. This is the difference right here. This was changed. I added this just a while ago just to show you how this test works. So what it would do, any changes, anything that's different in the document, it would show you by highlighting it in a different color. So just picture that you had like 10 pages and you weren't sure where the differences were. Just do the comparison feature and it will create a document. It will call it comparison. And then, of course, the name of the original document. And it will show you in this existing document the parts that are different. Now, if I did it the other way around, where I had the test 2, and in test 2 now I was doing the comparison, it would actually show me that this part is crossed out, as in it's not in the other document. So try it out and see how best it works for you. It's very efficient to use instead of you manually going through like a 15-page document to see what's the difference with another document that you had created with the same material but just made some differences along the way. So always remember, if you've aced this, come back to this video and let me know that you aced it so that we can celebrate you. Also, if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts. Also like and share the video with persons who you think will benefit from this information. Also, if there's anything that you have aced on your own, always feel free to share. Definitely check the description area for each video to see if anything important is listed there for you to do. Alright guys, so thank you for joining me in this session and I will see you in the next one. Bye!